Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session, we will be studying the 7th page of Qaida Nuraniya and the first 3 lines. And I will be putting this slide in the beginning of every session. So for those of you who are relying on transliteration, so they get some practice or they get a reminder every single time. What we're going to do is the first line, we will just read through it. We are not going to explain word by word because it's going to be too advanced at this level. And then we will explain the second and the third line. Okay. So that's the Arabic, and this one is the transliteration, and that's the meaning. So I will follow this pattern in the following slides. Ad-darsuth. Ad-darsuth. Ad-darsuth means lesson. ثاني that's second. الدرس الثاني the second lesson. Okay, as حروف that's a transliteration again, and then the meaning, the letters. Okay, حروف هجاء مركبة حروف الهجاء المركبة. So حروف letters, alphabet and compound. So this lesson is about compound letters. Okay, so when alif is written on its own, alif. So now it's the combination of 2 letters. So the red one is lam and the black one is alif. This is one way of writing lam alif. Lam alif. That is another way of writing lam alif. The red one is lam and this one is alif. And I will be following the structure. For example, if it's red, I'll put the red letter here. And if it's a black, and I'll put black here. Okay, and this is the transliteration. Lam alif. Another combination of 2 letters. The black one is ba, and the green one is ba, and the black one is alif. Ba alif. Another way of writing lam alif. So the red one is lam and the black one is alif. Lam alif. Just lam on its own. Lam. This is another way of writing lam alif. The red one is lam and the black one is alif. Lam alif. Okay, that's a combination of 2 letters. That's first one is lam and the second one is ha. So the red one is lam and the green one is ha. Lam ha. This is another way of writing lam alif. Lam alif. So the red one is lam and the black one is alif. The reason you have seen different types of writing lam alif is because you will see all these in practical examples. So that's why you have to get used to it. Okay, that's the combination of 3 letters. So the first one is ba, which is green. The red one is lam and the green one is ba. Ba lam ba. Okay, that's one way of writing kaf. This is written when kaf comes in the beginning of a word. Kaf. That's kaf when it is written on its own. Kaf. So that's the end of this session. In next session we will practice the second and third line 10 times but without explanation, so you get enough practice. Okay, until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.